Hello, Capricorns. Welcome to your October 2020 reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so this may not resonate for all you Capricorns out there. In that case, look at your moon and your rising on my channel. And do remember that time is fluid and the roles can be reversed. I'm going to begin looking into your energies from the immediate past, and we already have a card for you. Then the most powerful card, I'm going to see what this energy is going to be about in the month of October. We have Seven of Swords. Further on, elaborating this regard to spirit, please. We have the Ten of Cups. All right. Capricorns. Oh, great. I feel like your intuitive levels have sharpened quite a bit in the past few weeks, and September must have been a month that went by with a lot of speed. I feel like you guys have left some things behind with the star moment here, or you're thinking about leaving some old pattern of life, belief, or this could even be some situations or people you're leaving behind, and you're ready to go ahead in a new direction, and you're being guided by the spirit to do so. Let's see what else does the spirit want you to know. We have the Knight of Cups, and we have the Three of Swords. I feel like you found out about something, Capricorns, here in the past, and you felt that whatever you were getting from this person was not completely to your advantage, or there was either a heartbreak or something that didn't work out for you in the matters of love or relationship, or you saw that there were some things you were just dragging on with, and here you have got to move away from that, and that's what you did. Yeah, some of you have even broken ties. This may not hold true for everybody, but there was a third party situation in your case, or the relationship felt somewhere a little crowded, and you've chosen to pull your energy back and keep yourself away from this person. I kind of feel like this is driving you, or is working as the driving force behind whatever you're doing right now. I also have the card of the sun. So I feel like something was definitely brought out in the open for you, and you were willing to acknowledge that as well. I feel like the spirit or your intuitive guidance was. Had been giving you those intuitive nudges to go look ahead, see what it was, just dig deeper into the situation, and you just found something out. And you're going to keep this energy to yourself. You're pulling back your energy from all those people, situations, and you're keeping this energy to yourself. Now, in your present situation, I have the card of Seven of Swords along with Seven of Cups and the Page of Wands. I feel, Capricorns, that you are looking to go forward, and you're feeling so much more empowered about your decision of moving away from this energy of Three of Swords and the Five of Swords, and you are looking to go forward in life in many different directions. But right now you feel like there are quite a few areas that you could work on, and before you can proceed, but you're willing to put in that hard work. You're willing to do that. With the Two of Swords, I feel like you're still at a crossroads whether you want to go forward in the new direction, or keep that old person situation close by. Maybe it just works out in time. You don't know. You want to be sure not to walk away too prematurely from this decision, this situation. You have the Five of Pentacles, and this is giving you a lot of I want to say maybe nightmares, but metaphorically, you're not sure because you have never considered a time or a situation where you would have to walk away from this person or situation. And here I feel like you're thinking a lot about it. You're thinking a lot about it. With the Five of Cups, you are going to think about, moving along the lines. You're going to go with the flow. You're going to move forward in this direction that you feel and see as the safest for you. But I feel like the decision is going to be more about empowering yourself before you take a concrete decision with regards to the person or the situation being spoken about here. I have the Two of Pentacles. Like I said, there are two or three things that are looking at you right now, and you are feeling a bit lost with the Two of Swords here. And this is talking to me about arriving at a decision, but right now you're not looking to make a decision. You are just focusing on yourself here, Capricorns. Let's see what's coming ahead for you in the coming times. I have the card of the Chariot. There is the Cancer energy in your reading. Some of you could be having this very strongly in your chart, or could be dealing with a Cancer. I also have lots of air energy. I have Scorpio also here. I have lots of air energy. Air energy is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So you are, as of now, thinking about moving on, because the path that you're choosing to empower yourself here is Ten of Cups. You are going to take a decision that shows your creative or intuitive um, ability to solve a problem. This is not just a simple yes or a no to the situation you're dealing with. You are going to interweave your intuitive talents here, probably call this spirit guidance here, or help from the spirit side to you. But you are going to come at a decision where you can keep what you had in the past, as well as move on with what you want to in the coming times. But again, I feel when you're moving on with choosing to do something of your own alongside keeping what you had in the past, you are not going to allow this past of yours to remain in that old energy. There's something about reworking, renewing, reinventing this energy around you, so that you are, it's like, an old person in new clothes. So you're trying to work this situation out in a way where you can have this old person along with you, in a new way. Probably starting afresh is the right word, I can say. Then we have the Five of Wands. Why do we have the Five of Wands here? So let's see. Oh, we have the Ten of Swords in reverse. Alright. So with the Five of Wands and Ten of Swords in reverse, it's like you are not going to give into this situation here, Capricorns, is what I see. The Ten of Swords, I don't feel it's over for you yet. And with the Six of Cups, this could be you, this could be them coming towards you with a proposal, or you could be offering a proposal to them. And here, when I say that I don't see this ending for you with the Nine of Pentacles, you could be looking at it in a new way, or looking to restart this in a new way, or have this relationship with them in a new package. This is definitely looking like it to me with the Six of Cups. Let's get you some cards from the spirit. Let's see what the spirit has to say to you. Whew. The card just fell out. Give me a moment. Let me look at it. The card that fell out for you is the card of Let Go. It says, once you let go of the outcome, you'll be able to release all emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. Trust in the higher good and guidance of spirit, as we have only your best intentions at heart and will do everything in our power to protect you. Capricorns, I feel like you've been feeling very vulnerable of late, and you've been seeking help from the spirit side. You've been praying to get you light in this situation, and they're saying let it go. Some things have to happen. So unless these things take place, the shift in vibration will not occur, where two of you, or where there are more people involved here, have to look at the situation in a different light. So unless, if you keep holding on to that, you are not allowing the change to happen, is what the spirit is trying to tell you. Do you have a message for Capricorn reverse? What's the message for Capricorn? Wow, the cards just won't stay on the table today. I got it. Whoa. So we have the card of Phoenix. Be prepared to be renewed after a period of crisis. Have I been not telling you that you are looking at a renewal in the situation? You are looking at reinventing things. You're looking to have this person or situation come to you in a new light or in a new package. And here, this is you, Capricorn. This is you, the phoenix rising from the ashes. Can you see how brilliant the light is? And this is exactly what the universe is telling you. My God, I'm going to pull you out a card from the oracle. Let's see what the oracle has to say to you. We have the card of unknown territory. You are exactly where you need to be. So if you've been asking yourself, your spirits, is this where I have to be? Is this what I need to go through? This is too painful. I don't know if I this is meant for me, or I have to be here. You are exactly where you need to be. Now remember one thing, Capricorns, that for a karma to play out from your life or go out from your life, because it's energy, everything is energy, karma is also energy. You cannot destroy energy, you can only create bigger than what is to overshadow what was, something that you didn't want, and create something bigger in a more positive light to overshadow that you don't want. So this is what the spirit is trying to tell you. You're exactly where you need to be. Unless you experience this so quickly at your heart chakra level or whatever levels you need to experience it at, you are not going to be able to come out of it. The only way to live out a karma is to become a part of it, or to allow yourself to go through it. And that's what is happening for you here, Capricorns. You're feeling it with so much speed. Probably you were avoiding it, your person or the situation was avoiding it in the past, but now it's happening. Nobody can get away with this, but it's happening for good, is what I want you to know. Another card that I have for you is narrow pathway. Tread thoughtfully. You may be wanting to take a strong decision here right that at this point in time, but the spirit is telling you be careful of the decision you make, because there is no coming back. There are no two ways about this pathway is so narrow. You can either only go, but I don't think there's any coming back, because that's not how things work out in life. So be careful of the decision you make. It's just telling you to avoid making, or making judging yourself too harshly, or the other person too harshly. They're also only just playing out their role in your life, is what you need to know. One more card that I have for you is Wandering Path, and enjoy the journey. Again, the oracle is telling you you have been looking to get past this situation so fast that you don't want to look at what's going on in here. You're like, it's so hodgepodge, it's so cluttered, I don't want to be a part of this. Could you please lift me off this? But remember, Capricorns, that when there is fire all around you, and if you're in the middle of it, there is no way to walk through it or walk past it, but just then other than to ascend. So you can't go around it, you can't go through it, but ascend. That's what is happening for you here. I see you ascending. Okay, I'm going to draw you a card from the angels. I feel you need that. So let me see what the angels have to say to you. What messages do you have from my Capricorns, angels? Please show me clearly. Wow. So we have courage for you. Archangel Ariel says, be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. And we have a lion at the back here, and she's got these beautiful wings with her. And I want to say that everything that's going on here, I know, Capricorns, you are very, very strong, but sometimes you need to just develop that courage a little more. Tell yourself, just one more step and I'm going to be out of this. That's what is happening for you here. I don't doubt your abilities or your courage or your strength. You have that here. And I feel like this is happening at a rapid pace for you. But in the month of October, you're going to feel this, but you're going to be coming out of this as well. Spirit is watching you, is watching over you. So you need not worry. Pass through this karma, come out of this smiling, is what I want to say to you. Because you are the phoenix, you are rising from the ashes. And it's so important for you to learn this lesson right now. Alright, Capricorns, that's what I have for you here for the time being. And do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already done that. If you'd like to catch me live for a free reading, I go live on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow the links in the description box below to catch me there. Like and follow the page or the wall, and you'll get notified when I'm live. Also, do remember to leave your email ID in the description. I'm sorry, not the description, in the comment box below. I send out email on Sunday evenings, choosing two people from any sign to give them a free reading. If you happen to receive a mail from me, you will get a free reading from me. Don't forget to look into your spam folders as well. So for now, else bye bye, and hope to catch you later soon. Bye.